How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to share with you 10 profitable key phrases that people are searching for in the finance and make money online niche. You can use these key phrases in your YouTube video titles to get more views. These key phrases all have a perfect score of 100 on TubeBuddy's keyword research score analysis, so they are great to target. If you don't use TubeBuddy, I suggest you look into it. It's a highly valuable tool for YouTubers to help them grow their channels. One feature in particular is their Keyword Explorer tool. This helps people discover key phrases that people are searching for on YouTube, so you can find video ideas and rank higher in the search results to get more views. I'm using the TubeBuddy Pro version, which gives me access to all the features. If you are serious about YouTube, you should sign up. I'll put a link to it in the description. Otherwise, feel free to sign up using my link at tubebuddy.com/learnwithseb. Once you've downloaded the app, click on Tools, then launch Keyword Explorer. This brings up the Keyword Explorer. Here you can search for any key phrase. Now it's just a matter of searching for video ideas and clicking Explore to see what people are actually searching for. I'll just type in make money online. I'll show you how I found these YouTube titles so you can find them yourself. Then I'll show you 10 key phrases that have a perfect score of 100 that you can use in your own videos. We can see that this has a score of 15 out of 100 and the overall score is poor. As you can see underneath the score analysis, the search volume is excellent, the competition is poor, and the optimization strength is in the middle. Based on these metrics, TubeBuddy have given this key phrase a poor overall score. So this is not something you want to target. If you do target this, there's too much competition, there's too many other videos that you would have to compete for in the search engine results on YouTube. What I'd suggest is making this more specific to find something that people are still searching for, so it has a high search volume but it has a lower competition. That way you can rank higher up and get more views. Now if we type in make money online today, let's see what results that gives us. Oh, as you can see, that's now jumped up to 37 out of 100, and that's a fair overall score. According to TubeBuddy, this keyword has some competition, but also enough search volume to make it worth targeting. As you can see, the search volume is fair. The competition is not as bad as before, but there's still a lot of stiff competition, and the optimization strength is quite high, so you can optimize it for this. If we go another step further, we can add even more keywords to the end of this to make it even more specific. So what I'd suggest is adding the year onto the end. Now, as you can see, our results are excellent. This key phrase, which you can use in a YouTube title, has 88 out of 100. As you can see, this keyword isn't too competitive and has enough search volume to make it worth targeting. The search volume is good, the competition is low, which is why it's in the green, and the optimization strength is green, which means you can optimize it. Now, there are certain keywords you can add to the end of phrases to find these high search volume keywords. In this case, we added the year to the end. You can, of course, change the year every single year. So instead of 2021, next year will be 2022, do 2040, 2030, 2025, whatever year it is. If you add that on the end, then loads of people are searching for it. So that would make it a good keyword to target. You can also add other words onto the end, for example, easy or fast, or add in your own specific country. So make money online today in the UK or in India. One quick thing to note, at the top there is weighted and unweighted scores. The weighted scores are specific to your channel, and unweighted is the general score based on search volume, competition and relevancy. If you have the Pro version, you will see the weighted score. If I click on weighted, the phrase make money online in the UK gives me an excellent score of 100 out of 100. Whereas if I click on unweighted, it only gives me a score of 66 out of 100 because that is not specific to every channel. So there you go. Now you know how to find keywords to use in your YouTube titles. Now it's just a process of searching for different phrases and see what comes up. Then using this information to create videos around those titles. I spent several hours compiling a list of titles that I didn't end up using for videos, so I will just share them with you now. Here are 10 highly searched for YouTube titles with a score of 100 out of 100 on TubeBuddy. The first one I found was ways to earn extra money during a pandemic. As you can see, 100 out of 100. Another one, home-based business ideas for beginners. Again, 100. Another good one, how to build your credit score fast with no credit. Number 4, 10 side hustle ideas to make money from home. 5 real business ideas to start in 2021. Again, next year you change that to 2022, 2023, and you can keep getting these titles so you can make videos every year or renew your old videos to continue getting views. Another one, how to start a side hustle while working full-time 2021. As you can see, excellent. 7, how to get paid from YouTube easy. I just added easy onto the end, but as you can see, the search volume is really high and it came up with an excellent score of 100 out of 100. If, for example, I click on weighted, this only goes to 42 out of 100. So for me, my channel specifically, this wouldn't be a good keyword to target. I mean, it says good, but I'm going after the excellence. So this is what I'm after. I'm after all the excellent ones. Another key phrase that is popular, how to use Robinhood 2021. If you don't know what Robinhood is, it's a stock market app, so you can buy fractional shares in different companies, blowing up over the last few years. As you can see, this is excellent. Anything to do with Robinhood, you'll get a lot of searches for, but this key phrase in particular, you'd make a whole YouTube video around it. Number 9, how to make passive income on your phone fast. This is what people are searching for. The search volume is 100. Competition is good and the optimization strength is really good, so you can optimize it here. As you can see, this number represents how well optimized the top ranking videos are for the search phrase. If they are not well optimized, then it provides you an opportunity to break in and rank for the keyword by properly optimizing your video. So this has good optimization potential here, 100 out of 100 again. Lastly, a more generic one, how to be wealthy and successful quickly. Obviously you'd have to create videos around these topics and you have to come up with really good content, write a good script and make engaging videos. Loads of people are searching for this. Again, 100 out of 100. The search volume is excellent, competition is good, and the optimization is excellent as well. So that's another key phrase you can target, create videos. If you spent a month making these 10 videos, launched a brand new finance channel or how to make money online channel, I mean, I can't guarantee you'll get views, but I highly expect you to get views using this. TubeBuddy isn't always 100% accurate, but generally they are. And if you go by these scores, you can see what type of things people are searching for. So there you go, 10 highly searched YouTube titles with a score of 100 on TubeBuddy. My research didn't stop there. I actually compiled a list of 100 video titles that all have a score of 100 on TubeBuddy. If you want that list, I'll put a link to it in the description. I've put it for sale on Gumroad, so only serious people who want to grow their channels would have access to this list and would be able to make videos around it. If I just gave it out for free, 1, no one would value it. 2, no one would do anything about it, because if you get something for free, it comes and goes easily. You would get it, you wouldn't do anything with that information. Whereas if you paid a certain amount of money for that list, you want a return on your investment. Now I'm only selling this list for £10, $10 I should say. So for $10 you can get 100 video ideas instantly. I've spent 6 hours compiling this list, going through here, typing in different keywords, looking for keywords that have 100 out of 100, nothing less. So that way you're optimizing your efforts and you're optimizing your chance to succeed and get views on YouTube. So there you go. Feel free to check out my Gumroad account. Otherwise, hope you found this video useful. Good luck with your YouTube channel and finding keywords for your YouTube titles, and I'll catch you in the next one.